So let us continue the study of these concentrations. We have seen the mass percent, volume percent and mass volume percent in the previous video. Now let us continue some more concentrations, especially those concentrations that we more oftenly use in this physical chemistry part and most of the chemistry part. So one such concentration is molarity. This is indicated with capital M. It is defined as number of moles of a solute, number of moles of a solute per liter of solution, per liter of solution. Suppose you want to prepare exactly 1 liter solution of a particular solution. Then first you take small amount of the solvent, dissolve whatever the amount that you want to dissolve, that is solute, and make up the solution to 1 liter or 2 liters or 3 liters or whatever the volume that you want. But to express this molarity, we write this as number of moles of the solute, number of moles of the solute divided by volume of solution in liter, volume of solution expressed in liters. Suppose directly number of moles of the solute is given and volume of the solution is given in liters, then take the ratio. But usually that will not be the case. First let us take, for example, if mass of a solute is given, mass of a solute is given, then to calculate the number of moles, you divide mass of the solute by molecular mass. Mass of solute divided by molecular mass. Okay. Suppose I am giving you 6 grams of glucose dissolved in 0.5 liter or 500 ml of solution. I am not taking directly 500 ml of solvent. First I am taking small amount of solvent and dissolving 6 grams and making the solution to that 500 ml or half liter. Then to calculate the molarity of such a solution, first you calculate the number of moles. Number of moles of glucose is equal to, first you write mass of the solute, that is 6 grams, divided by 180. So this is 1 by 30. Now let us consider the calculation of the molarity of the solution. Molarity is equal to mass of the number of moles of the solute, it is 1 by 30, and volume of the solution is 0.5 liters. 500 ml of solution corresponds to 0.5 liters. So it is 1 by 15. So suppose you simplify this one, 1 by 15, then it will be 0.006 90 10. So it continues. So it is 0.66 molar, 0.066 molar solution. So instead of giving you the direct molarity, number of moles of the solute, if you are given the mass of the solute, take the ratio mass by molecular mass, it will give rise to the number of moles. Then molarity of the solution is equal to number of moles divided by volume expressed in liters. Let me take one more example. Suppose I am giving you 5.85 grams of sodium chloride dissolved in 250 cm cube of water solution. 5.5 grams of sodium chloride dissolved in 250 cm cube, there will be no much change in the volume of the solvent or solution. So it can be taken as volume of the solution 250 cm cube. Then first you take the sodium chloride, molecular mass is equal to 23 plus 35.5. It is 58.5. Therefore number of moles is equal to 5.85 divided by 58.5. This is equal to 0.1. Number of moles is equal to 0.1. Therefore, molarity of the solution is equal to 0.1 number of moles divided by 250 cm cube divided by 1000. So to convert cm cube to 1000 liters, you have to divide by 1000. So this will be equal to 0.1 divided by 250 multiplied by 1000. Denominator will come to the numerator. This will be 4 times. Therefore, the concentration of the solution is 0.4 molar. In a similar way, we can consider the next concentration, that is molality. Molality. This molarity is expressed as capital M, while molality of the solution is expressed as small m. It is defined as number of moles of the solute, per kg of solvent. That is, mass of the solvent should be expressed in terms of kg, kilograms. So number of moles of the solute per kg of the solvent will give rise to molality of the solution. So we can write this as molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent expressed in kg, kilograms. If you are given mass in the grams, convert that to kilograms. Suppose I am taking this example of, say I am taking about 5.0 grams of a solute with molecular mass 50. This much I am dissolving in 250 grams of solvent, that is water. Then you are asked to calculate molality of the solution. So first you calculate as usual number of moles. Molality is equal to number of moles of solute divided by mass of the solvent in kg. So first you calculate number of moles. Number of moles is equal to mass 5 divided by 50 molar mass. So this will give rise to 0.1. Then mass of solvent is 250 grams. It is nothing but equal to 0.1/4, that is 0.25 kg. Therefore, molality of the solution M is equal to 0.1 divided by 0.25. So it can be written as, just taking this decimal points, it will be 100 by 25, it is 4 molar solution. Okay. So with some more examples and some other types of concentrations we will take in the next video. Thank you.